How to fix Twitter or X application not loading image. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we'll troubleshoot image loading issues on Twitter, which is now known as X application. So let's begin. First, you need to ensure that you have a stable internet connection. So go to your device Wi-Fi settings, or you can just go ahead and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it's working properly on your device. If you encounter other internet problems, you can go ahead and turn on the flight mode for 3 to 4 seconds and turn it back off. If that does not work, you can go ahead and open a web browser on your device first. Search for Down Detector. Go to the Down Detector's website, and here simply search for Twitter or X application, and the server status page will indicate if users are reporting issues. If there is a server outage, you'll need to wait for Twitter to resolve it automatically, and after checking the server, return to the Twitter to see if the problem persists. If images aren't still loading in your X application, open the Twitter app and ensure that you're logged in. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner, then go to Settings and Support and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then after, tap on Accessibility, that is under Notifications. Once you're in this page, make sure that the data saver is turned off. If it's on, tap on it to turn it off or disable it, and then return to Twitter and check if the issue is resolved. Another thing you can do is you can go ahead and clear the cache. Simply tap and hold on to this Twitter application, tap on the eye icon in the top. This will open the app info, then go to Storage, tap on Clear Cache. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. But if you're using iPhone, you can go to iPhone Storage and there find the Twitter application and offload the application and reinstall it. Moreover, you can also go ahead and uninstall this application from your Android device and reinstall it using the Play Store. And after reinstalling and logging in, the issue should be resolved. So try these solutions and you should be able to fix the problem. So that's all for today's video. I hope this was helpful. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.